Let me tell you about Ali. She loves coffee, she loves to sleep, she loves to eat, and adores her brother very much. I notice when you are at home all the time, all you do is just sleep, eat, study, and deal with Ryan. Especially of all the four, dealing with Ryan builds who you are now. You learn to be selfless and humble.
Happy birthday, my love. It is your special day today. Always stay kind and God-fearing. Always remember to believe in yourself. Always make sure that you always go in the path of God. Happy birthday, Ali.
Just remember, when things seem not right, we are here for you no matter what. We love you, Ali.